Today we're going to be expanding our knowledge about slope by talking about the equation and how to find slope between 2 points. So starting with our equation, this is called slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So if I look at this example, it asks what is the slope? So the slope is the number in front of x when solved for y, so it has to be 2. Here would be -5. Here the slope is -1/3. And here the slope is, we can stick a 1 in front, and then our slope is -1/4. Alright, so now how to find slope between 2 points. So this is our slope formula, so the change in y divided by the change in x. Alright, so I like to start over here with my second point. So x, y, x, y. So it says y2 minus y1, so y2 is 9, minus y1, which is 1, divided by x2, which is 6, minus x1, which is 3. So I'm going to simplify this. 9 minus 1 is 8. 6 minus 3 is 3. And then 8 divided by 3 is just 8/3. Alright, so now it says, given the points -5, -6, -8, and -2, use the slope formula to find slope. Alright, so again, I'll do my labels. Okay, so again, so y2, so -2 minus -6. Okay, and then we have -8 minus -5. Now the reason I put these in parentheses is so that I don't mess up on my negatives. Alright, so I know that 2 negatives make a positive. Again, 2 negatives make a positive. So now I have -2 plus 6, which is 4. And -8 plus 5, which is -3. 4 divided by -3 is just -4/3. Alright, so then this one says plot 2 points on this line, label the points, and then using these 2 points, plug them into the slope formula to find slope. Alright, so 2 points, so I'm going to go for my y-intercept, which would be 0, 3. And then I'm going to pick 1, 5 as well. Alright, so make my labels. Then plug them into the formula. So we got 5 minus 3 over 1 minus 0. 5 minus 3 is 2. 1 minus 0 is 1. 2 divided by 1 is 2. Alright, so looking at some challenge problems. This one says find the slope of the line passing through the point 5, 1 with an x-intercept of 4. So we know that x-intercept, our y is equal to 0, so then our x must be equal to 4. Alright, so we have 0 minus 1 on the top, 4 minus 5 on the bottom. 0 minus 1 is -1. 4 minus 5 is also -1. -1 divided by -1 is equal to +1. So then this one says line P has an x-intercept of 5, so we know with our x-intercept, y is equal to 0, so then our x-intercept is 5, and a y-intercept of 3. We know what our y-intercept, x is equal to 0, and then our y-intercept is 3. Alright, so let's go ahead and label. Alright, so we got y2, so 3 minus y1, which is 0, and then 0 minus 5. 3 minus 0 is 3. 0 minus 5 is -5. 3 divided by -5 is just 3/5.